this is What's Up 290, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your pair of headphones that has a connector that looks like this, and plug it into a device that has a headphone jack that looks like this. What you'll need is one of these 6.6 millimeter. These are super cheap. You can get these on eBay or Amazon for like $4. They plug into your 3.5 millimeter headphones and then plug into the headphone jack, like I'll show you. Here's the adapter plugging into my 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Then from there you can just plug it into the 6.6 millimeter headphone jack. Then there you go. My 3.5 millimeter headphones are now working with a headphone jack that it would usually be 6.6 millimeters. There's a sound you're just hearing from the radio coming to these headphones. That's about it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 290, and I'm signing off. Have a nice day. See you next video.